Hello, friends. Welcome to Pels Fundamentals. Today, like we specified the last time, we are going to do some data collection from a smart meter. Picture, we can see a smart meter with an IR port and with an optical port. If you have both, I will choose the IR. And if you have a P1 port, I would choose that. How should we read from the optical port? If you have searched for any solutions on the internet, you'll probably come across this image. You do not need the entire circuitry. And if you noticed, on the previous images I showed you of the e-meters, there's a difference in pulses per kilowatt hour. One is 1,000, the others is 10,000. So that limits our sensor selection, I think, because of the rise time. The LDR is out of the question. A diode, I think, is also out of the question. My preferred option will be then optical transistor as a sensor. And I will get rid of the Q3 circuitry. Since the output is reversed, I will just utilize a falling edge interrupt in the microcontroller software. And that's basically it. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye.